By the end of this video, you will be able to create tables for the Dolmen platform module. This simple example has 4 tables for customers, products, shipping orders, and shipping order items. Customer table has one field for the customer's name, type string. Product table fields are name, type string for the product name, product price, type float 64, enumeration product type. Some words are reserved in Java and Kotlin languages and cannot be used for tables and fields name. Order, for example. Therefore, I'll name the next table shipping_order. Fields are customer, type ref, the reference to the record in the customer table. Date time order placed, type datetime. Date order paid, type plain date, and the text field comment. Every item of the order has a record in shipping order product table. It has references to the shipping order and the product tables, an integer field quantity, and a string field comment. Your local Dolmen site has documentation with all the details about data types and rules for the table descriptors. But you will learn everything you need to start from this video. To describe a table, create JSON files with the same name as the table name. Place this file next to the module JSON file. You can use a subfolder as well. I'll start with the customer table. The file is customer.json. The value of code is the table name, customer. Table fields go into the fields array. The code value is the field name. The type is string, so you can skip it. Usage name means that this field's name is used for the entire record value in the drop-down lists. To create an index on this field, use the indexes array. One element which contains the fields array per index. The product table goes into the product.json file. The value of code is product. Describe the name field the same way as in the customer table. The price field is float 64. Use the JSON key type. The product type field has type enumeration. These can be used in the drop-down lists. Label sets the drop-down list value. JSON key value goes into the database table record. Element with default true is the default for the new record. The first index is on the name field, and the second index is on the name and product type fields. The first field of the shipping order table is the reference to the record in the customer table. Use ref with value customer. Ref delete error means that the customer who has orders cannot be deleted. Ref delete sets what happens when the reference record is being deleted. The possible values here are ignore, do nothing, the reference to nowhere will remain. Delete, to delete the record. Empty, to clear the field value. Error, to abort deleting with error. When deleting a record from the referenced table, select operation is performed on referring table ref type fields, with exception for the fields with ref delete ignore. It may take a long time if the table doesn't have indexes on these fields. The second field, datetime order placed. Its type is datetime, that is date and time with time zone and without milliseconds. Label is the field label for the graphical user interface. Label is optional. When omitted, it's derived from the code value. Underscores are converted to spaces, the words are capitalized. Value is the default field's value for the new record. Now with parentheses is for the current date and time. The next field is date order paid, of type plain date, just a date without time. The comment field has text type which you can use for multi-line comments with text formatting. The shipping order product table fields are described in a similar way. Ref delete for the shipping order field is set as delete. If the order is being deleted, all its items would be deleted as well. Now that you've described the table structure, generate, build and deploy your module. Press Dolmen Deploy on the toolbar. Generating adds the system fields beginning with @sign. These fields are critical for the future generating and upgrades. Manual editing, deleting and adding of these system fields is not supported. It may cause incompatibility of the new module version with existing installation and the reading problem of the previous version data. For compatibility reasons, don't change field types. It's recommended to create a new field and convert data from the old one. Avoid tables and fields renaming and avoid reusing previously used names. If you delete table.json file, the table will be deleted from the database after installing new module version. Run your local Dolmen site and open it in your web browser. Go to Administration, Server and Modules, Module Management. Select your module and hit Install. Your tables will be created in the database. Thank you for watching.